We are For Sure Family.
What's good, YouTubers? Welcome back to our channel. This is Sean, representing Teen and Fib of For Sure Family. And today I'm bringing you a short how-to-do tutorial on making one of my favorite breakfast treats. That's right, stuffed French toast. So without any further ado or delay, let's get it popping. All right, let's first start with the ingredients. For the custard, we're going to be using some vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, half and half, some eggs, and some granulated sugar. For the stuffing, we're going to be using cream cheese, strawberry jam or preserves, powdered sugar, and lemon zest. And that's optional if you like. Also optional is your fresh fruit that we have in the back, the sliced strawberries, some maple syrup, and butter to cook. And last but not least, we're using some bread. This is the bread we're going to be using today, which is some cinnamon swirl prepared bread. All right, let's get it started. All right, so now we got 6 eggs already beaten. Put in there, and then we're going to add about a quarter cup of half and half. Couple teaspoons or so of sugar. About a teaspoon of vanilla. I usually use a little bit more. And cinnamon. Looking at about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half. Alright, and then we're going to stir that all together. I like to stir mine up really good to get it incorporated. When you get down to your last French toast, it'll still have cinnamon. Alright, now we got that all stirred up. We can move on to the filling. For the filling, we're going to start with some powdered sugar. A tablespoon. I'm about to say about 2 tablespoons. Alright, and get some cream cheese, 8 ounces, or a block. Some strawberry preserves, another 2 tablespoons. Alright, and then we get that all mixed together. In France, French toast translates to forgotten bread. So one of my first tips is that you gotta make sure your bread is stale to get you the best results. All right, we got it stirred in pretty good. I'm gonna add me a little bit of vanilla extract. Teaspoon. And we're gonna grate us some lemon. The zest of the lemon. You can do about half. All right, we got the lemon zest in there, and we mixed it up with the vanilla and the rest of the filling. And now it's time to get the grill ready and start putting our sandwiches together. All right, now we got the griddle heating up at 350. We're gonna start making our sandwiches. Grab a little filling, smear some on one side. Not too much, you don't want to lose out. And if you can, try not to be too close to the edge. Alright, then we're going to line these up with one thin layer of sliced strawberries. And we're going to make our sandwich. Put them aside for a second. And we're gonna start putting it on the grill. All right, now we're gonna start putting some butter on the griddle. We got that going. We're gonna start soaking our sandwiches in the pastry bag. Really want a good soak, good 30 seconds on each side. All right, got a good soak going. Now we can apply it to the grill. What about the excess? All right, so I had it cooking for about 4 minutes on the side. I flipped it over. Sometimes you might have to add a little butter. You just want to cook the other side till it gets golden brown. Already looking golden brown and delicious and ready to get them off the grill. So now that your toast is done, you're ready to rock and roll. You can dress it up any way you like, using any combination of fresh fruits, whipped cream, powdered sugars, lemon zest, and maple syrup. Just a few to name. Your options are actually endless. So that's about it. Stuffed French toast. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring-a-ling-ding that bell for notifications. Until next time, peace out, good peoples. I'll holla.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.